So in my video, my students used the TAP indicator of thinking, and specifically they used research-based thinking where students explore and review a variety of ideas, models, and solutions to the problem. So for example, my problem was a rectangle has an area of 36 inches squared. What is my length and my width? My students were able to come up with 5 solutions to my problem, which hits the thinking indicator of research-based thinking where students explore and review a variety of ideas, models, and solutions to the problem. So for example, one solution to the problem would be the length is 36 and the width is 1 because 1 times 6 is 36. Another solution would have been length equals 12 and width would be 3 because 12 times 3 is 36. Another solution would have been length is 9, width is 4 because 9 times 4 is 36. Another solution would have been length is 18 and our width is 2. And then our last solution would be our length is 6 and our width is 6. And the reason why that solution is because a square is considered a rectangle, because the definition of a rectangle is a figure with 4 angles whose measure is 90 degrees each, and a square fits that definition. But a rectangle is not a square because a rectangle does not have 4 congruent sides as a square does. So my students were able to use thinking as finding different solutions to the problem, as well as analytical thinking, where they compare and contrast and evaluate and explain information, so they were able to explain their different solutions that they came up with to this problem. And here's what the solutions look like. Notice how they were able to tell me that the length is the bigger number out of all of them, except for length is 6 and width is 6 because that's the same number. But other than that, the length is the biggest number and the width the smallest number because the length represents our biggest side.